伫英国有一名环保人士，因伫伦敦上界楼一个金融区遐起一间行动剧场，那因用的建材、布景甲道具，拢是人无爱伫的物件。
一阵对环保充满热情的志工哪桥哪顶，因伫英国伦敦上楼一个金融中心边啊起一座行动剧场，这建材全部是木质来的，无得用的木材。
The Greenhouse is the UK's first zero waste theatre. We use the power of performance and storytelling to spark climate action amongst artists, audience members, anyone that wants to come down really.
26岁的萨维奇讲，因甲目标受众设定伫16至35岁，因为因发现这群人对环境充满悲观。透过这种的表演，要甲因讲，对抗气候变迁真正无困难。早伫2019年的时阵，热恋剧场就伫爱丁堡甲各种艺术表演团体合作，也成功互真侪人注意。
I try and live a relatively sustainable lifestyle, and then I was sort of realising how theatre is really hard to do that, especially on like micro budgets. And I was really excited to learn like all the ways that they do it.
用剧场演出宣扬理念这个做法，渐渐互人认同。根据当地咨询公司伫2022年的调查，77%的受访者表示，文化团体有责任互民众了解气候变迁的急迫性。90%的受访者也希望因使用环保回收的废弃物来制作演出的时阵所需要的布景甲道具。公司新闻新闻部编译。